I'm not sure what other programs exist in the city that after 5 weeks of training, that you're pretty much guaranteed a job.
Our intention was to become partner with the community college, and be a part of the curriculum and really get it in the forefront with what it is that you all are doing with the certificate program for manufacturing.
I absolutely love the manufacturing program. And for me, it's always about the students. It's about seeing when someone comes in and they're wide-eyed and excited, and when they finish and graduate and they start their career in manufacturing, it's just the best feeling ever.
I've been at Capital for over 13 years. Started as a student. I've been part of the program for 2 years.
This is my second year.
I think it's a big opportunity for them to see what a manufacturing environment looks like, because it's very different than it was or what people might imagine it to be, 20 years ago or 10 years ago. We have really bright, clean shops, and to your point, we have manufacturing innovation that's much different than some of our competitors.
It's a great opportunity. For most people, it's going to change your lives. A lot of us that come from the inner city start at bare minimum wage jobs, barely any raises.
And most students come from the Hartford area and the city area where they don't give a lot of breaks.
So now folks can come right to Prince Tech, which is where we do the classes, coupled with classes at the college to achieve the manufacturing degree. And so this is a Hartford-based manufacturing program.
They get exposed and they get some foundation through the community college, and that's a really big leg up.
There's a gentleman on my street, a young kid named Milan, who works here. He was out of a job and he was kind of down. He said to me, he needed a job. I said, well, why don't you try the career field I'm into? I said, it give you a decent pay and change your life. My wife, she said, well, this program's starting off at Capital Community.
Department of Labor suggests that there are 15,000 open manufacturing jobs in the state of Connecticut.
Right now, there are more jobs than there are individuals to fill them in manufacturing.
You get to learn something, you feel important, come to work every day, they pay you a nice wage, and you feel like you're part of a team.
It's pretty rigorous, but it's 5 weeks. It actually worked really well with my time constraints.
Having a career in manufacturing is definitely like a place to go. It's exciting and there's lots going on. There's a lot of opportunity to continue to grow in manufacturing. So I do think manufacturing career is huge.
We need more younger people in this space, especially women.
So someone who's interested in manufacturing, what I would say is, come have a conversation with me. I can tell you about the courses that you would take. I could tell you about the machine shop over at Prince Tech.
One of the beauties of the program is that there's this strong job link, so that there's a job waiting at the end of the program. And Whitcraft has experienced success with hiring students that complete the program.
Capital Community College serving an area of Connecticut that's generally underserved in terms of, going to school for manufacturing. I think it's a huge pipeline of candidates that maybe normally wouldn't think of manufacturing.
The tip that I would give is be nosy. And I picked up a lot of information and things that I wouldn't have otherwise.
So to go from a student to an employee at our program, students would have to pass all of their classes. We actually invite the companies to come to Capital Community College, and we create an interview schedule for the students to interview with each of the companies that we invite.
Our program is a type of program that's stackable. So this is an intro program that allows you to get a foot in the door with a great company like Whitcraft, and then you could work your way up.
People can quickly accelerate and make more money throughout their career in manufacturing. It's been a great partnership. Love to see it grow, and both in size and also with us with Whitcraft.